All right, sixth grade. So we're going to start off by learning content this week. I hope that everyone had a great Labor Day. However, this is the week we start getting into things and moving forward the best we can. Okay, so I wanted to provide you with a video just to show you what you will be doing for your warm-up portion of the class. Okay, so if you were physically in school when you came into my classroom, you would see your warm-up on the whiteboard. So this is my suggestion to you. Every time you log into your language arts Canvas, I would do your warm up first. It's an easy few points, get it out of the way, okay? So this is very important though, because this is the review of the grammar skills that you need to know, and it shows me what you know and what you do not know, and then I can build off grammar lessons based on that, okay? So first thing you obviously want to do is click into your language arts Canvas. You want to, I'm going to go into student view, but you don't do that. You want to go to classwork, and notice here are all your tabs. Now, if you click something and it doesn't go anywhere, that's because it's not live, okay? That's because you don't need anything to do there. So what you want to do is you want to click warm-ups and you want to click daily language review. If you click this daily grammar practice, nothing's going to happen because you do not have any work in that daily grammar practice. So don't click it. Go to the daily language review, and this is what you'll see. Daily language review week 1. So they'll all be listed here. I'm right now recording the video to show you how to do it, so this is what you're going to watch. So you want to click on your assignment. Here is your assignment. It says directions. Complete the daily language review by typing the answers in the box below. Make sure you number your questions. Okay, so you're going to go through, you're going to read the work that you need to do. Don't worry, it's not going to go anywhere. You're going to go to submit assignment, okay? And then you're going to go to text entry. And here is where you want to number your work and put your answers. Impeccable means what? What does impeccable mean? Well, obviously is you want to go up, you want to read it, you want to see what she's talking about, and then you want to type in your answer. Impeccable means to have a neat, orderly appearance, right? Then you'll go down, you'll do number 2. Look at your question. Circle the misspelled word and write it correctly in the space above. So you have acceptable, acquit, and refine. The word that is misspelled is acceptable. So how do we spell acceptable? A-C-C-A-B-L-E, not I-B-L-E. Number 3, you want to add a non-restrictive element. Carter's van needs to be washed, and you want to use commas. So what you do is you retype that sentence and you add in extra information about your subject. So my subject is Carter's van, right? That's what the whole sentence is about. So we need to add extra information about Carter's van using our commas. So Carter's van, comma, which is blue, needs to be washed. And there's your non-restrictive element. Extra information about our subject here. Okay, so you type it in your sentence. Number 4, circle the correct pronoun in the sentence. Identify if it's subjective, objective, possessive. Now, first thing, obviously we cannot circle on there because it's not going to happen. So you're going to tell me, you're just going to type what it is. My grandma gave I a beautiful quilt to put on my bed. My grandma gave me a beautiful quilt to put on my bed. So you're just going to type me because that's the one that fits. Okay? Now you're going to tell me if it's subjective, objective, or possessive. So is me in the subject of the sentence? No, the subject is talking about the grandma. Is it in the object or is it in the predicate? Object and predicate are the same thing. Maybe. Possessive. Is it showing ownership? Gave me my blanket, right? So is it subjective in the subject, objective in the predicate, or is it possessive? No, it's not showing ownership to anyone, so it's going to be objective in the predicate. So you can just write objective. And last but not least, you can choose an antonym for deception. An antonym is the opposite of the word, okay? Synonym, same, antonym, opposite. So deception means to lie. So the opposite would be honesty. Okay? So you just type in your answers and you click submit. and you submitted your assignment, and then I will go in and grade. So say you didn't know what a non-restrictive element is. That's okay. Try it. I just want you to try. If you do it, you get points just for trying, okay? So try your best. And then that following week, I'll say, okay, we don't know how to do non-restrictive elements, and then I'll strictly teach you non-restrictive elements, okay? So do your best, work hard, type your answers in the text box, but remember to number them like I did also. All right, I hope this helps. Bye.